Want to send and receive your iPhone's text messages on your Mac or iPad? Here's how to enable text message forwarding on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and select Messages. Now, scroll down and tap Text Message Forwarding. On this screen, you'll see the compatible devices linked to your Apple account, such as your Mac or iPad. Simply turn on the toggle next to the device where you want to send and receive your iPhone's text messages. For example, I want my text messages to appear on my Mac, so I'm turning on the switch next to my Mac right here. You may see a verification code appear on your Mac or iPad. If prompted, enter that verification code on your iPhone to complete the setup. And that's it. Your selected device can now work with your iPhone to send and receive supported SMS and MMS messages in addition to iMessages. Now, what if you don't see the text message forwarding option? Go back to the Messages settings. Turn iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then tap Send and Receive, and make sure you're properly signed in to your Apple account for iMessage. After that, go back and check for text message forwarding again. Also, make sure your iPhone and the other Apple device are set up with the appropriate Apple account and Messages settings. That's how you enable text message forwarding on your iPhone. If this worked for you, comment "Done" below and tell me whether you're forwarding your messages to a Mac or iPad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.